sick of this. Let's take the van back. We're done. We're not doing this anymore. Finished. Return the van. Just kidding. Floor day.
Now, as you saw in the time lapse, we pulled everything out. We're ready to go ahead and scuff up this paint. Make sure we have a good glue point. We'll scuff up the aluminum where it needs to be. We're gonna glue these to the floor. And then in between that will be our insulation. Our deck goes on top of that. We'll screw into these from the deck. So we just gotta get this whole floor prepped.
We pulled everything out of the van, all the bottom flooring that we initiated. Now we are basically lining out where everything is going to be placed, final placement. So we've kind of made lines where all the aluminum stock, the aluminum stock is going to be, and then we've marked with the X's so we can sand that down.
Grind that down.
Grind, sand, whatever. Then we'll adhere them with glue, place in our foam, and then put our wood layer on top.
Woo!
Now, one thing that we did realize this morning is that we had condensation underneath our wheelbase covers. So Brad decided to chuck them out. So we've gotten rid of that. There is going to be a very minuscule gap between the original places that the aluminum stock was going to be, but I don't honestly think that's going to make a big deal. And when you're putting in the aluminum stock, Brad went ahead and put in an arrow facing which direction that the aluminum stock is going to be. So the aluminum stock will be on this side of the arrow, which is really important because we are going to start sanding on this side to kind of make sure that it adheres properly once we glue it down to the floor. Solid. 2 thumbs up.
Well, it's been more than 24 hours, and we're gonna see if that epoxy had set up or if we're gonna have to redo it. Ooh. Yeah, I think we're good now. Okay.
I don't feel like you're trying.
Go for it.
Yeah, I think we're pretty secure.
Yeah. All right.
Good.
Yay. What's up, creeper?
Hello. What you doing?
I've been busy.
You've been busy, huh? You didn't even call. Could have come out.
You were busy too.
Looks like Brad's got some work done, and I didn't get to help.
Shucks. Alright. So underneath here, we know we're going to run our plumbing from the tank down under our subfloor to keep our moisture down underneath, and then we'll pop it back up in this cabinet where your sink, and then your shower is going to be right behind me over here.
But now we will take finish up. This is actually going down into my aluminum frame all the way across. And you can see I've done it here where I actually took the time to mark one spot, but no others. And I've got inset all the way across. So these are locked out. Get this boxed out and before I can move forward. So here we go.
Ruiner. The idea here is to be able to just tighten it up and then loosen it back out if I ever need to get in here and clean or whatnot. This will be right under a cabinet, so I should be able to get in there, unscrew it, screw it back in. How you doing now?
Like that? No.
So our cabinets are going to be 21 inches over here. So that's going to give me a 3-inch, roughly a 3.5-inch toe kick. So this all sit underneath the cabinet. You won't see it. All right, so this morning we are cutting a ginormous hole right there. So we're now under, and the way I'm mapping this out is there's a drain hole here, and then there should be another bolt here, and then there should be another bolt here, which you can see, and then a double bolt. Bolt. So if we go back inside, I've got my clear, I've got my single bolt, there's the bolt that was exposed, and then your double bolt. So if we line our hole up here, we're gonna bring it over here, and then we've got all the space in the world here.
Did I mess that up?
I didn't mess it up, it's just, I mean, it was off by 1/2 inch. So you did pretty damn good. For not
Fair
being
enough.
a straight line kind of chick.
Ready? All right, here goes nothing.
Here goes hopefully something. Well, that's a problem.
What?
Your drill bit has to go through first. My drill bit's not long enough. Drill bit issues.
We have a hole. Another hole.
Last hole. Well, not last hole.
Not the last of the last, but at least the last for now. We got a shower drain.
Exactly in the middle of it. So now I can get to tightening. Let's see how this thing's gonna fit in there. Oh yeah, it's gonna sit down in there real flat and flush. Water's gonna be able to run right into the hole.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to click and subscribe and ring that notification bell for our next video drop.
If there's anything that you enjoyed or learned in this video, just give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and like this video. We appreciate you guys coming out.
All of your likes and thumbs up do help us grow our YouTube channel. Thank you.
And Daisy really appreciates it. Thanks guys. See you on the next one.